Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about chapter 5 of class 9, okay? And our chapter is natural vegetation and wildlife, okay? So in this chapter we will discuss about natural vegetation and wildlife, okay? Natural vegetation, it means the plant that is grown by naturally, okay? That cannot be disturbed by human beings, okay? So let's discuss one by one all the things, okay? So here, have you observed the type of tree, bushes, grasses and birds in the field and parks in and around your school? Okay, it means in here a question is arising that have you ever seen any type of tree, bushes, grasses or birds in the field or parks? Okay, yeah, or around your school. Okay, here there is question. Yes, we have seen many trees, many birds around our area. Okay. So here, are they similar or they are variation? It means here is also the question is arising that is there similar or there is a variation? It means is there a similar or different? Okay. So in India, being a vast country, you can imagine the types of bioforms available throughout the country. Okay. In India, India is a vast country. It means the big country that in India there is a many vegetation are in the country. Okay. Many bioforms are available throughout the country. It means all over the country. Okay. So, our country, India, is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world. Okay, it means in India there is 12 mega biodiversity countries. Okay, of the world. It means India is the 12 mega countries of the world. Which one? For biodiversity. Okay, about 47,000 plant species in India occupies 10th place in the world. Okay, it means how many plants are there? So here written is there is 47,000 plant species. Only plant species are there in India. Okay, that that take place the 10th place in the world. Okay, in the world it means if we see in the basis of world there is a 10th place of India in the basis of plant. Okay, because there is 47,000 plant species are available in India. Okay, and fourth in Asia in plant diversity. In the world, here is the 10th space of India, and in Asia there is fourth. Okay, there is fourth space of India that in plant diversity. In the plant diversity, the world has spaced India that is 10th, but in Asia there is fourth. Okay. So there are about 15,000 flowering plants in India. Okay, it means there are 15,000 flowering plants. It means the plant that gives flower. Okay, there are 15. It means there is 15,000 flowering plant in all over the India. Okay, where flowering, how many flowering plants? 15,000. Okay, and how many plant species are there in India? 47,000. Okay, which account for 6% in the world total number of flowering plant. Okay, it means the total number of flowering plant it take place the India's which 6% in the world. Okay, so the country here the country has many non-flowering plants such as ferns, algae and the fungi. Okay, but the country has also non-flowering plant. It means the plant that does not give flower. Okay, that is some examples are given that ferns, algae and fungi. Okay, here India also has approximately 19,000 species of animals as well as a rich variety of fish in its fresh and in marine water. It means there are 47,000 of plant species in India, and there are 15,000 of what flowering plant in India, and 90,000 species of animal as well as rich variety of fish is also present in India. Okay, so Here next is natural vegetation refers to a plant community. Okay, natural vegetation I have already mentioned in first that the vegetation which we get from nature. Okay, that the same thing is written that natural vegetation refers to a plant community. Okay, it means which type of things that we get from nature. Obviously the plant. Okay, that is God gifted. Okay, so here refer to the plant community which has grown naturally. Naturally it means without the human disturbance. Okay, it grown naturally by the help of nature. Naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by the humans for a long time. It means it will be not disturbed by human. It directly done by nature. Okay. So here we see that natural vegetation, that means it refers to the plant community. Okay, and the plant community that is naturally, obviously the plant is grown by nature with the help of nature, not by the human. Okay, so without human disturbance, it called without human aid and has been left undisturbed by the humans for a long time. It means the human are not going to take care of the plants. Okay, they are grown by naturally with the help of rainfall and the nature things. Okay, this is termed as virgin vegetation. Okay, this is termed as a common term is used for that, that is virgin vegetation. Okay, thus cultivated crops and fruits orchards form plant of vegetation but not natural vegetation. Okay, it means cultivated crops, fruits, orchids from a part of vegetation but not a natural vegetation, because in fruit if we sow the seed, then the fruit will be grow. If we sow the seed of fruit, vegetable, then the farmer sow the seed in the field, so the fruits grow or the vegetables grow. Okay, so here is the form of part of vegetation but not a natural vegetation. Okay, that is, it is cannot be termed as virgin vegetation. Okay, so because it is only a part of natural vegetation, but is a part of vegetation but not a natural vegetation, because human are helping, human are take caring of the field, that is any insect are not there or animal are not going there. Okay, natural vegetation, it means that human can never disturb the plant. Okay, it grown by naturally by the nature. Okay, so this is all about the natural vegetation and virgin vegetation. Okay, so here one more thing that I hope you all know that what is here the virgin vegetation which are purely Indian. The virgin vegetation which are purely Indian, Okay. So the virgin vegetation which are purely Indian are known as endemic or indigenous species, but those which have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants. Okay, it means that plant is from India is called as endemic or indigenous. Okay, indigenous species. Okay, but those which have come from outside the India. Okay, that is termed as exotic plants. Okay, now here the term is flora. I hope you all know that what is flora and what is fauna. Flora is used to denote plant of a particular region or period. Okay, flora is used to denote plant and fauna is used to denote animals. Okay, here the F, fauna. A means what? Animals. Okay, and here flora is denote as plant, denote plant species. Okay, and fauna refer to as plant species. Okay, that the species of animals are referred to as fauna, that we can tell the animals which are belongs to animals species are called as fauna, and which belongs to plant species, that is called fauna. Okay, so I hope flora. I hope you understand this. Okay, and now here our next topic is types of vegetation. Okay, here is 5 types of vegetation. Okay, first one is tropical evergreen forest. It means the forest that is truly here they are green. Okay, now tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, and scrubs, and montane forest and mangrove forest. Mangrove forests are generally found in deltas region. Okay, that is most common, that is Sundarban delta. There will be mangrove forest are available. Okay, we will read about these 5 forests in detail. Okay, so let's start. Let's see, here is a figure is given that is all about the tree, that a young tree is look like. This one is called young tree, and here I hope you if we read about the all the vegetation, then the here is the tropical. First of all, here is given that about the tropical evergreen forest, that the tropical evergreen forest is like this. Okay, so here for this we have to first of all we have to read about the tropical evergreen forest. What is tropical evergreen forest? Okay, so let's read about the tropical evergreen forest. So here, tropical evergreen forest. Okay, these forests are restricted to the heavy areas of the Western Ghats and the islands groups. Island groups, which are the island groups of India? There was 2 one. First one is Lakshadweep Island. Second one is Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. Okay, so it restricted tropical evergreen forest. The name is already, we have to know that evergreen, it means green. Even all evergreen, it means green throughout the year. Okay, so here these forests are restricted to heavy rainfall. For what? For a heavy rainfall, it means where there is rainfall are completely present, there the tropical evergreen forests are found. Okay, you know how the plant green, if we give her the water, then the plant are turns into a green. Otherwise in summer you all see that the plant become dry due to due to less amount of water that the plant get. Okay, but if there is a heavy rainfall, the obviously the plants become green. Okay, so here we see that it present in Western Ghats, the island, and also Assam, Tamil Nadu coast. Okay, so and our next line is, they are at the best in areas having more than 200 centimeter with a short dry season. Okay, it means they are best. They are best in which area? They are best in which area there is where there is 200 above rainfall is with a short dry season. Okay, more than 200, it only present in that area where the rainfall distance is above the 200 centimeter. Okay, so here okay, the tree reach great heights up to 60 meter or even above. Okay, it means the tree grow up at the height of 60 meter or even more. Okay, since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has a luxuriant vegetation of all kinds. Okay, it means if the region is warm, wet throughout the year, it has a luxuriant. Okay, it means there are many types of varieties of trees are available for this, like all kinds of vegetation, all kinds of trees are available. That is, that we can see here trees, also shrubs are available, and okay, creepers giving a multi-layered structure. Okay, there are many vegetations. Okay, like all kinds of tree, like trees, shrubs, creepers also. Okay, and there is no definite time for tree to set their leaf. Okay, this is the main this is the also the reason because behind the tree is called evergreen forest, because they have no any definite time to set their leaf. Okay, so as such this forest appear green all the year round. I have already mentioned that this is the also the reason that this tree are generally green. Okay, evergreen, it means because there is no definite time to set their leaves. Okay, now here, okay, some of the commercial important trees of this forest are ebony, mahogany and rosewood, rubber and kikona. Okay, there are many trees. These are the name of evergreen forest. Sorry, these are the name of evergreen trees. Okay, that is mahogany, rosewood, ebony, kikona and rubber. Okay, these are the tree of evergreen forest. It means that the trees of this plant are the trees are not set their leaf in the definite time. Okay, now here the common animal found in this forest. Okay, where there is forest there may be also any animals. Okay, so animals, there is a specific name are given, that is elephant, monkey, lemur and deer. Okay, these are the main animals that found in evergreen forest, that is elephant, monkey, lemur and deer. Okay, here is also one-horned rhinoceros are found in this jungle, in the jungle of Assam and West Bengal. Okay, also in the jungle of Assam and West Bengal, there is a one-horned rhinoceros. I hope you know very well one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, okay. So where there is where it is found? It is found in jungle of Assam and West Bengal. Okay. Beside these animals, plenty of birds, bats, sloths, scorpions and snails are also found in this jungle. It means beside these animals, it means except these animals, also there are many animals like plenty of birds. It means some amount of birds also are available. Bats, sloths, scorpions. I hope you all know that what is sloth, what is bat, scorpions. Okay, and snails are also found in this jungle. Okay, in here is a jungle, and in the jungle there are many animals and many plants, or also many small insects are also available. But here is some particular name is given, that is plenty of birds, bats, sloth, scorpions, snails are also available in this jungle. Okay, which jungle? In jungle of Assam and West Bengal. Okay, and where the one-horned rhinoceros is found? It is found in the forest of Assam and West Bengal. Okay, and the common animals that found in this area, that in the evergreen forest, that is elephant, monkey, lemur and deer. Okay, and these are the main plants that are known for tropical evergreen forest, that is mahogany, rosewood, ebony and kikona, rubber. Okay, these are the name of what trees? Okay, important trees, it is mahogany, rosewood, ebony and kikona. You have to learn all these trees, these animals. Okay, which type of animal are found in evergreen forest, and also here is one more. Next point is tropical deciduous forest. Okay, here is also we have to learn which type of animal, which type of plant are found in deciduous forest, and our next one is the thorn forest and scrub forest. Okay, now we understand this figure. Okay, now we can understand this figure, like here we see that the minimum height of these trees are 60 meter. Okay, these trees are like some young tree, some 20 meters, some canopy layer. Okay, this is the layer of canopy. Okay, here is 40 meter. Okay, this one's height is 40 meter, 5 meter, 1.5 meter, and also here is this one is emergent layer. Okay, and this is all about the tree. I hope you. here this one is ground layer. I hope you understand that this is a ground, okay, where the trees are grown, okay. This one this tree is grown upon 5 meter and this one is 1.5 meter, okay. This is all about the tropical evergreen forest. I hope you understand all the video, okay, from what is natural vegetation, how many types of vegetation, and also what is tropical evergreen forest, okay. So in next video we will discuss about the tropical deciduous forest, okay. I hope you understand all this video, okay. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.